Welcome to SelfTax YouTube channel. If you're an expat, business owner, or landlord and you're not subscribed yet, this channel is for you. We break down tax rules, deadlines, and changes clearly and simply. Hit subscribe and stay compliant, without the stress. Filing a partnership tax return can feel complicated if you have never done it before. The SA800 form asks for detailed information about the partnership income, expenses, and how profits are shared. In this video, I will walk you through how to file your partnership tax return online in 2026 step by step. By the end, you will understand exactly what you need, where to enter each figure, and how to submit the return correctly. Before filing your SA800 online, you need 4 things. 1. Your government gateway ID with agent or partnership access. 2. A full set of partnership accounts, including income, expenses, and profit records. 3. The partnership agreement shows how profits are shared. 4. Details of all partners, including names, dates of birth, national insurance numbers, and UTR. Once you have these items, you can begin the online filing process. Go to the SelfTax online services page and log in using your government gateway credentials. Once logged in, select File a Partnership Tax Return or SA800 Partnership Return. This opens the digital version of the SA800. Enter the basic information about the partnership, including trading name, principal business address, type of business, accounting period start and end dates, partnership UTR. Make sure the accounting period matches your partnership accounts exactly. Incorrect dates may cause processing issues or HMRC inquiries. Next, enter the total income for the partnership. This may include trading income, rental income, interest received, other business income. Use the figures from your partnership accounts. Do not include partner drawings or salary because these are not expenses and do not reduce partnership profit. Now enter the allowable expenses of the partnership such as rent, utilities, travel, repairs, professional fees, marketing and software, bank charges, cost of goods sold. Only genuine business expenses should be entered. Keep receipts and records for all items in case HMRC requests evidence later. After you enter income and expenses, the system calculates the partnership profit or loss automatically. Review the numbers carefully. If something looks incorrect, return to the previous pages and update the figures. Now allocate the profit to each partner exactly as stated in your partnership agreement. For example, 50-50 share, 60-40 share, percentage based on capital contribution. Enter each partner's percentage or amount. The system will calculate each partner's share automatically and generate their partnership statements. These figures are then entered on each partner's SA800 partnership pages of their individual self-assessment. These statements will later be used on each partner's individual self-assessment. Before submitting a review every section of the form, check. Income matches your accounts. Expenses are entered correctly. Profit allocation is accurate. Partner details are correct. Accounting dates match your records. Once confirmed, click Submit. HMRC will provide a confirmation message and reference number. Save this for your records. Filing a partnership tax return online is straightforward once you understand the steps. Complete the SA800. Check each section. Allocate profit correctly. Then submit with confidence. In the next episode, I will explain what expenses landlords can claim in 2026 and how to avoid the mistakes that lead to HMRC challenges. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to SelfTax for clear practical UK tax guidance. Stay informed, stay compliant, and stay one step ahead of HMRC.